If you've been searching for a property that offers room for family, space for your business, and the freedom that comes with owning Acreage, welcome to 4260 West Kenner Road. Located in Tracy's desirable Country Pride neighborhood, this rare estate features 5.03 usable acres and 2 separate homes, creating a unique opportunity for multi-generational living, rental income potential, and lifestyle that increasingly difficult to find. This beautifully updated main residence offers 4 bedrooms, 3 fully renovated bathrooms, spacious living areas, and a versatile floor plan designed for both everyday living and entertaining. Updated finishes throughout create a move-in ready experience, allowing the next owner to immediately enjoy the comfort, functionality, and privacy this property provides. One of the property's most valuable features is the separate guest home, complete with its own living area, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, and bonus room. Whether you're accommodating aging parents, adult children, extended family, long-term guests, creating a private office, or exploring rental income opportunities, this additional residence offers exceptional flexibility. Beyond the homes, the property's 5.03 acres provide opportunities that extend beyond traditional home ownership. With room for hobby farming, gardening, livestock, recreational vehicles, trailers, boats, and equipment storage, the property supports a wide variety of lifestyles. For contractors, entrepreneurs, and small business owners, the Acreage also provides valuable space for work, vehicles, and equipment that can be difficult to accommodate on a conventional residential lot. Horse enthusiasts will appreciate the property's horse stalls and open acreage, creating an equestrian-friendly setting with room to enjoy the benefits of country living. The combination of usable land, privacy, flexibility makes this property ideal for buyers seeking more space and greater freedom. For buyers relocating from the Bay Area, opportunities like this have become increasingly rare. Here, you can enjoy acreage, privacy, flexibility, while maintaining convenient access to Tracy's shopping, dining, schools, and major commuter routes. Whether you're seeking multi-generational living, rental income potential, space for your business, horse facilities, or simply the freedom to own usable acreage, 4260 West Kenner Road offers possibility few properties can match. For additional information or to schedule your private tour, contact Soledad Garcia with eXp Realty today.